Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing both devices so the connection is smooth. First, update your Chromebook to the latest Chrome OS. This avoids compatibility issues. Next, power on the Samsung TV's Wi-Fi and enable its screen mirroring or Smart View feature so it can accept a cast. Make sure both devices are on the same network, otherwise discovery fails. Once done, you'll move to the Chromebook's cast controls and search for the TV name to initiate pairing. Now you'll cast from Chrome. Open the browser, click the three-dot menu and select Cast. Choose whether to cast a browser tab or your entire desktop. Tab is lighter, desktop sends audio and entire screen. Select your Samsung TV from the devices list and accept any on-screen prompt on the TV. If audio lags, choose Cast Desktop and pick the correct audio output in Chromebook settings. If the TV doesn't appear, refresh the devices list and restart the Chrome browser to reinitiate discovery. Finish by confirming the connection. Stop casting from the Chromecast icon when done or close the casting tab to release resources. If playback stutters or resolution is wrong, reconnect and pick a lower resolution or try Ethernet for the TV. One key troubleshooting tip: if the TV never appears, reboot both devices and the router, then verify TV firmware is current. If wireless still fails, use a USB-C to HDMI adapter to mirror the Chromebook directly. This bypasses network issues and guarantees stable video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.